front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. If you want to enable and use voice typing on this OPPO, don't worry, I will show you exactly how to do it. Start by launching Gboard. Now, first common issue is microphone icon being invisible. If you can't see it at the top right corner of your keyboard, click on this gear instead and select voice typing. Then hit gray switcher to activate it and go back to finally click on it. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. Now, my favorite option, you can also click on your microphone, and when it's on, tap on tiny icon that appears right next to it on the left. Now you can use voice typing from this toolbar. Operate microphone the same way. Hold your toolbar and move it around to place it wherever you want to. Click on this button with an X to delete text on the go. Those three lines to manage typing options and some Gboard options. And last but not least, this keyboard icon to go back to standard one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!